we are going to make pies. To make the dough, we have a tried and true method. We boil the potatoes. Well, they have become really soft, like this. The potatoes with water. We drain this water for cooling. It will be useful for the dough. And we will carefully use the potatoes as filling and gently place them aside to cool to a warm state. And the potatoes will be our filling. We didn't fry them. Onion. The filling should not be soft like when we make mashed potatoes for eating, so we don't add milk. We fried the onions. Add here paper and thoroughly mash. Our potato broth has cooled down. It's quite thick here at the bottom. There are even potato pieces, soft sediment. This is all good. Here we have exactly 1 liter of liquid. So we will make the recipe for 1 liter. For 1 liter of liquid, a stick of yeast. We use these Lviv yeast. You can choose according to your preference. And a cup of sugar. And we mix it all together into a homogeneous mass. You know that the yeast and sugar are now turning into a liquid state. A base for our yeast with sugar. Now we add to this volume an egg. 1. And we mix it. And pour in our liquid. And add flour only as much as will be absorbed in the dough. So we start kneading. Mixing. The dough, see, there's enough flour so that it pulls away from the sides. You see, it pulls away from the sides. This is an indicator that there's enough flour. We knead our dough well. Continue kneading. Many people do this by hand. I do it this way. Whatever is convenient, continue kneading. The dough is already ready. The dough, this is our daily bread, given to us by God, so I made a little bird. A cross and said, God, help us. And we cover it and put it in a warm place, I'll tell you. We'll leave it here, it's warm, we'll cover it on top with something warm, like a blanket. This dough rises very quickly. In 40 minutes it will have risen, and our pies will be fluffy and delicious. Our dough is ready. As it has risen so lively, as I told you, it happened very quickly, and we continue our process. We can make both fried and baked pies from this dough, but we will make fried pies. Here we take some amount of dough and we can make pies with it. Dough. These are the little balls, the preparation. This way we make pies. Bobli is very good. Then we take our ball and roll it out. For fried ones, it's better to roll them differently. The fluffier, the more carefully. The filling, we close like dumplings. I close. We will fry in a deep fryer. You can fry in a pan if you don't have one. Well, I will make 2 at a time because in my stove face, PS. Pies beachgoers need. Ready? We place 1 pie, the second pie, and immerse. Oil. And it boils. As soon as they float up, one side will brown. We will turn them to the other side. To the side. And when the second side is browned, it means our pie is ready. The second side is brown. We lift. Our deep fryer oil has absorbed our pies with potatoes are ready.